Did you know that right now, as you watch this video, your money is being quietly drained by invisible leeches? Welcome to the subscription economy. Netflix, the gym you never go to, that random photo editing app, premium music. Companies design the cancellation process to be incredibly exhausting, so you experience cancellation fatigue and just give up. Stop trying to find and cancel them one by one. Today, I'm going to teach you the Scorched Earth technique. The solution? Call your bank right now and report your debit or credit card as lost. Sounds extreme. It is, but here is the genius part. When you get a new card with a new number, ALL of those automatic charges instantly fail. You don't have to cancel anything. Let their automated systems panic because they can't charge you. Then, you only manually enter your new card number into the services you actually miss and truly need. Without even trying, you just eliminated 5 to 10 useless subscriptions. You essentially just gave yourself an instant pay raise. Psychologically, this Scorched Earth Reset takes all the anxiety away and puts complete power back into your hands. That ghost money that was bleeding out every month can now be redirected straight into your investments. Perform this Scorched Earth Reset once every 6 months. You will be shocked at how many leeches you shake off. Extreme leaks require extreme solutions. Are you brave enough to make that call to your bank today? Comment below. How many paid apps are on your phone right now that you haven't used in a month? Stop the bleed. Thanks for watching.